Hi everyone, you're watching Jana Effects. In this video, I'm going to show you my setups for trading pound at the news Bank of England conference. And I'm using my EA, and as you can see right now, already I'm showing you the setups. I'm placing only one pending order, a sell stop on pound pairs, and only for euro pound I'm placing the two pending orders as usual. And at this moment you can see the EA is pyramiding, which is I'm still testing, but because I was not expecting too big movements during the news event, I'm changing the settings in the EA and looking for not very big movements. So as usual setup, I'm closing half positions at 10 pips, and the rest of the lot size would run by trailing stop. So you can see right now it's a pound Australian, and I'm placing closing half. I'm changing the lot sizes. I make sure that the take profits are not very big, and also you can see I'm changing the recovery setups also for smaller take profit and stop loss, which obviously when I do so, it will increase the lot size if I'll have a loss, and the system would have to recover. So but the expectation of still a possible move, but big enough to move at least 10-20 pips to walk away with small profit. And my market offset, as you know, you can see I'm not changing it, but it's at the bottom. If you look at it, it's 20 pips, and I am not changing it. So the levels as usual are placed, and the pending orders below the level with the distance of 20 pips. So you can see that on most of pound pairs, they're consolidating right now and have quite important level, and this is where I'm trying to place my orders. As you can see, I'm trying to do it not by the bottoms, but where the most of the candles are sitting, right? So most the ends of the bodies of the candles, so more noise. This is where I'm expecting a breakout, and it's small movement. So you can see I actually placed my orders on all pound pairs, even though I don't really like much of trading the cross pairs, because I usually get not very good spreads and slipperages. So but I'm still going to do it right now. So, and you can see once again how to use it, how I use it. Okay, and obviously you can use it too. So now you can rent it for 1 month. You can have to try it for 1 month. It's only $20, very small. And if you like it, actually I have a bit more options now. If you go to Fiverr, you can see in the description under this video the link, and you can actually rent an EA for 6 months and even for 1 year with a discount. So you have a very good offer. It's very, very affordable compared to many other EAs, and this one, as you know, is very useful. If you've been following my videos, you know how useful and easy it is to use. And so you can see now I'm still placing the orders. Now I'm checking if everything is all right. You see, I've forgotten to place pound dollar, my main pair, and now I'm placing the last order. I've just had to make sure that the face is smiley on all of my EAs, on all the pairs where I placed it, and it is active. And the last bits, you see I'm changing, because you can change the distances, you can change the take profit, stop losses. So I change them all on the smallest ones. So you can see now after a few hours, obviously the news events happening, and right now you can see all the trades are on, and some of them already closed. For example, at pound New Zealand and pound Canadian, you can see obviously it didn't trigger the order, so probably that's what I'm talking about, was a bigger slipperage. or bigger spread, but I didn't pick it up. So you can see some trades already closed for pound New Zealand, for example. Pound Australian is still in the trade with half lots. And after some time, as you can see now, I have all the orders closed. So all the pairs which were picked up, all closed. So that's pretty much it, guys. This is the results of the trades. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and obviously if you would like to rent an AA, please check the description under this video. Happy trading. Bye everyone.